Okay, Julie. We are at 44220 Alisa. I'm not sure how you say that one, but Alisa Drive in Hemet. There's the backyard. Little pool back there. Clean out right here by the air conditioner. City. Coming in right there. Little jump. Another one. Okay, this would be in front of the house. Turns the clay pipe right there. Should be a clean out, and I think there is. Oh, I know, that was that one we saw back there. It's actually in the little brick area. There it is. Pretty sure that's probably the clean out in the front patio. If I'm not mistaken, this is probably up by the sidewalk. Turns to clay where it goes into the street. Oh boy, it's pretty tough to push. It's real tough to push. So far out there. Okay, I have to go flush the toilet, get a little water going. I'll come right back. Okie doke. Well, we're back. Got a hose and a clean out right here. Get a little water. And it'll help it. Get as far as we can. Oh yeah. It's helping it out a lot. In the water. City sewer main right there. Oh, looks like a pretty good line all the way out there from the back, clean out of the back of the house to the city out in the street. So again, this is Alisa 44220 Alisa Hemet.